Hello everyone! Welcome to Tarano Speaking English. Today is Lesson 2, Episode 7, Shopping at the Supermarket. In this lesson, you will learn simple English for real life. You will listen to Mark, a friendly traveler, talking with supermarket staff. The sentences are slow and easy for beginners. Please repeat after the characters. Practice every day, little by little. If you practice daily, you will become fluent and confident. Let's start our supermarket adventure. Scene 1, Finding a Basket.
Hello, where can I get a basket?
Hello. Baskets are near the door.
Thank you, I need a small basket.
Here you are.
This basket is clean and nice.
Yes, we wash them every day.
Good, my apples like clean homes.
Your apples are lucky.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Scene 2, Looking for Milk.
Excuse me, where is the milk?
The milk is in aisle 5.
Is it cold milk?
Yes, in the fridge.
I like cold milk.
Do you want big or small milk?
Small milk, I travel light.
Good idea.
If I buy big milk, I need big muscles.
Maybe next time.
Scene 3, Choosing Bread.
Hello, this bread smells good.
Yes, it is fresh today.
Is this white bread?
Yes, and brown bread too.
I want one brown bread.
Here you are.
My breakfast is happy now.
Bread makes mornings better.
If bread talks, it says, eat me.
Haha, yummy bread.
Scene 4, Asking about Fruit.
These apples look nice.
Yes, they are sweet apples.
Where are they from?
They are from New Zealand.
I will buy 2 apples.
Please put them on the scale.
Okay, they are small apples.
Small but tasty.
Like me, small but hungry.
Enjoy your apples.
Scene 5, Asking Price.
Excuse me, how much is this juice?
It is $2.
That is a good price.
Yes, today is sale day.
Great, I love sales.
Do you want orange or apple juice?
Orange juice, please.
Good choice.
Orange juice makes me run fast.
Then you can run home.
Scene 6, Finding Snacks.
Hello, where are the snacks?
Snacks are near aisle 3.
I want potato chips.
We have many flavors.
I like cheese flavor.
Here is cheese chips.
Thank you.
Do you like spicy chips?
No, my mouth cries.
Mild chips for you.
Scene 7, Asking for Eggs.
Excuse me, where are eggs?
Eggs are in the fridge.
Are they fresh eggs?
Yes, from local farms.
I want 6 eggs.
Please check for cracks.
These eggs are good.
Great.
I hope they do not sing in my bag.
Haha, quiet eggs.
Scene 8, Paying at Checkout. Hello, did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $10.
I pay by card.
Please tap here.
Done.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much. My card works harder than me.
Shopping is work too. Scene 9, Asking for Bag.
Can I have a bag, please?
Paper or plastic bag.
Paper bag, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Do you need help packing?
Yes, please.
Put eggs on top.
Yes, eggs like soft beds.
Good idea.
Scene 10, Saying Goodbye.
Thank you for shopping here.
Thank you for your help.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Come again soon.
I will come back tomorrow.
Great, we like friendly customers.
I like friendly shops. Maybe I live here with the bread.
See you again.
Great job today! You learned simple English for shopping at the supermarket. Please listen again and repeat the sentences. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Little practice makes big progress. Soon, you will speak English with confidence. You can travel, shop, and talk with people around the world. If you like this lesson, please like this video. Please subscribe to Tarano Speaking English. Click the bell so you do not miss new lessons. Please share this video with your friends. Let's learn English together every day. Thank you for learning with Tarano Speaking English. See you in the next lesson.